Do you know that people are really benefiting from YouTube every day? The more you do, the more you're seeing. That's the truth. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 life-changing benefits which people are gaining from YouTube. I myself am also included, which I'm gaining from YouTube. Okay, now let's get started. Number one, from being a consumer to being a creator, that's life-changing. Honestly, you can change from being a consumer to being a creator. This is just all about growth and building yourself. When I talk about being a consumer, consumers are people who just go on YouTube just to watch videos for fun. They search for a particular video. Is it on craft? Is it on DIYs, tutorials, inspiration, or music, entertainment, comedy? All they do is just to watch these videos and get entertained. But when you talk about the creators are those who are putting in their efforts to create this video to post on YouTube out there for the consumers. So imagine leaving the stage of just being a consumer to being a creator as well. You both consume and also create. The same way people are feeding you with the entertainment part of it, the DIY and all of that, you also there to also give people what you know. Being a creator on YouTube gives you the enablement to create content to help people out there, get to meet with people, get to develop yourself as well. Number two, it's all about building memories. You might feel like building memories how? Imagine yourself now, you're just starting your channel. Yeah. And you get to be posting videos of probably your tutorials, posting videos of your parents, posting videos of your young ones, probably your kids, your wife, your siblings, posting videos of your travel, your vlogs, depending on the niche that you are, probably on shorts and on your long form videos, you are educating or you're doing crafts or whatever you're doing out there. Is it comedy? And in years to come, those videos are still there waiting for you. So in years to come, you can decide to go on YouTube and be like, let me check what I did about 10 years ago. Honestly, it's always so amazing to go back to when you started, see when you started, create memories with them, get to see your past, and it's fun. It's life changing. You get to see your growth, the way you've grown from one stage to another. So this is one of the benefits. Number two, yeah, this is one of the benefits you also get from YouTube. Number three, creating a valuable community. Yeah, when we talk about community on Facebook, creating a valuable community is all about posting to get viewers. There are some viewers who get to comment on your comment section, like my video now. I can tell you, okay, if you love the video, go to my comment section and type I love this. Or you can go to the comment section, drop a question. I can pin a comment. I can drop a comment, pin the comment, and allow people to also drop theirs under my comment. This helps to create a community where you know nobody, you've not known anybody from particular country, but the person gets to join your community because what you're creating out there for them, it's life changing. Creating a community is getting to reply to those comments, yes, engage with them, make them feel that you care as well, that you are out there to respond to them. That's when you have loyal community. You have a loyal community for yourself. Get to meet with people, get to chat up with people, talk with people, answer people's question, get to help people out in a certain aspect and all of that. So it's very, very vital to create a community also on YouTube. These are one of the benefits you get. You might get to meet someone you never knew you could meet, probably a celebrity out there you've been seeing up, and you get to chat with the person. So How lovely would that be? Okay, now let's get to the fourth aspect of it. Number four, this is very honestly. Number four is it's very vital. It's something I get to love whenever I see myself in it. Getting to change people's life, changing people's life from your content. Are you doing inspirational content? Are you doing tutorials, crafts, and all of that? But you get to change people's life. So you might be doing crafts, and someone gets to be watching your video to learn from you without paying any money. So just watch your content. Do you know that lots of people now do go to YouTube to learn a particular craft, to learn a particular handwork, to learn a particular job, how to do a particular thing, probably how to make scented candles, how to make an oil perfume. Most people go on YouTube to learn how to sew. So we have different things people do go on YouTube to learn. And it's really life changing because you get to change people's life, you get to impact people, you get to inspire people, you get to console people. Probably someone might be in a particular situation and wanted to take a drastic decision, but the video you just posted, the person stumbled on the video, watched the video at the end of the day, and the person is like, wow, this is inspiring, this is life changing. That's it. You got to change someone's life. So these are benefits you get. Life changing is not a direct benefit. You are changing other people's life. Number five is all about getting fast to learning. You know, when you start creating content, you can't just sit and bring up a topic and start creating a content on it, despite the fact that you know it. You have to do some. You have to go to a certain level of research about what you're about to say, and in this, it helps you to learn more. Yeah, get to have a new skill. Probably, okay, like me, I I I couldn't believe I can talk on camera. I was never a camera type. I couldn't talk on camera. I couldn't. Sometimes I know what to say, but that fear of talking, are people going to listen to me? What about the fact that I get to talk? Someone comes in to listen to what I'm saying, I'll be like, man, you don't know what you're saying. That fear of talking and posting. So, or someone that knows me might come up to see my tutorial and will probably place a call and be like, wow, guy, what are you doing? So, those are the things you get to achieve when you start posting content on YouTube. You get to see that you get to build yourself, you get to overcome some fears, you get to overcome the fears you were facing. You get to see that you push yourself from one stage to another. You acquire a skill, probably presenting. You can now see that, okay, now you've built yourself to a particular level that you can tutor to a particular level. You have the talking pace. You're good in what you're saying. You've developed your English, your vocabulary, because you get to learn a lot of things. Content makes you to learn a lot of things, get to discover a lot of things you never knew you could do. You get to research to know more, improve your brain, improve your IQ as well. So it's vast. Honestly, it's very vast. You get to earn at the end of the day, to earn money at the end of the day, because while creating content, you're not just creating this content probably for fun. At the end of the day, you get to a monetization level, which you start earning from your hard work. So, out of these five benefits of creating content, five the benefits you get from creating content to post on YouTube, which one do you think is the best for you? Go to the comment section. Just go down to the comment section and then type the one you see it's best for you, the one you know you're good at, the one you're really interested in. Which aspects of this are you really interested in? If you've watched my video up to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed, like the video, share the video to reach other people. who might not have the opportunity to get this information. Engage. Let's create a community. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.